Sustainably managing supply chains is a core challenge for original equipment manufacturers, OEMs. This study develops a decision support tool based on integrated multi-criteria decision-making (MCDM) method to support accurately incorporating sustainability factors in supplier selection. The model is applicable to three main industry sectors: gear manufacturing, aviation, and electrical and electronics. It is capable of capturing all subjective and objective criteria in fuzzy environment to accurately incorporate sustainability factors in supplier selection. Results show that social factors of sustainability rank as the most important in supplier selection, while the most influential sustainability subcriteria are work safety and quality, originality/value. The model is capable of capturing all subjective and objective criteria in fuzzy environment to accurately incorporate sustainability factors in supplier selection. It is a decision support tool relevant for providing insights to managers while implementing sustainable supplier selection.
This article is titled, "A Decision Support Tool for Sustainable Supplier Selection in Manufacturing Firms," and was authored by Ifeyinwa, Orji, and Sun Wei.
We are article.tv. Article links can be found in the video description.